Ozumo, I see you, my brother. Hey. Hey. No be small thing, no. No be small thing, no. Ụmụnne m ndị obodo ọ dịgokwenu ka ọ ga-adị o. Simon don collect am. Simon Ekpa don chop am 6 years. He don chop 6 years. Just like that. Ala Igbo, I see you. You do still be well done. Everybody gather here, gather. Guys, please hit the like button, thumbs it up. Thumbs it up and share with friends and family. Now, would the Nigeria government start going after all the politicians that sent him money? Would they start going after every person that contributed money? Even you are now an official terrorist, international terrorist. You are now an international terrorist. You will follow them, they do this nonsense. You are now officially an international terrorist. Whether you like it or not. Whether you like it or not, you are now a terrorist. Ununi now will go terrorist now. You see people who no get sense. You say, where do you get your information, please? They don't knock am wait, make I give on another sticker. You don't news now. Now like 20-something minutes ago, the news break. See the thing here. I suppose. See, I'm there. They don't knock am. You say you go down. You say, so what? For what reason? For exposing Ndoshi, Ekpa, my fake pastors. So now we be the real freedom fighter. No, he go gente for Ekpa, for terrorism. He went there for terrorism. Me, I went there because of injustice. You understand? So, na record. After making telling children, waiting career go prison, my own I they expose fake pastors wey say they go heal people, they no fit. Unemun deke onye ọbụla ekwetego ọ ga-eje pịa isi there. Nnamdi Kanu ga-anwụ there. You see Usain Bolt, they go buy am there. Then go buy who they post this thing, they no post any link here. Na MNK must buy, Nnamdi Kanu must buy there. Adaches Anyanwuda. The Monday is very good. The day is bright, our friend. Oh, happy day, the day of joy. Oh, Coco, cry finish. I don't block you also. But when I unu niile ga-ekete Nnamdi Kanu ga-anwụ n'ime there. So if Simon got 6 years, what do you think say the person wey employ am go get? Ochanja Dota Kekame market gadi. So those of you that are hoping, keep hoping. Guys, thumbs it up, please. Thumbs it up, thumb up the video. Thumb up the video, thumb the video up, please. Thumbs it up, thumbs it up. We see the news here now. I'm going to go yega. I to go yega. Other park go to Fuebe for 6 years. First guarantee. Then when he's done, they will bring him to Nigeria. Then he will come and face his own yawa for Nigeria. Okay? He will come and face this one. He say, wetin Kanu do? Oh, you don't know wetin he do. You don't know wetin Ekpa do. He did what Simon did. In fact, he did more. In case you don't know what he did. No, now 6 years now for Finland. You know, say no be for Finland they do the thing. Those people know they count black people as human being. They go say that their fellow animal, he buy. So they go just give us 6 years. Now when he finish, he go come back. I must say and he is done serving. He will be deported immediately now. Immediately. One way. In fact, we can even demand that he come home to serve his sentence here. Then I must hear everything. Thank you, Sheriff Ibrahim. Okocha, Dan Okocha. This is what should be happening. In fact, see, Simon, those of you that love Simon should tell him to start making arrangements to come to Nigeria first, so he could begin all of this in the serve at the same time. Make you kuku serve at the same time. Instead, make you serve 6 years finish. They go bring you, come back, you go start from 1 again. As they like you 6 years now, bring them, come back here. You know, say I don't give them advice before, you know, yeah. When I tell and say, make you stop this buy and collect the money where you don't make, go wrong. Use another thing, they confuse them. You go post them, like say, me I beg and make you work for government. So make I give them advice again, make you come Nigeria before December. So then go knock him, something like 12 years, join the one, he go be 18. Because if the 18, he go serve am once. Because if he did there, if he serve finish, they go bring and come here, he go begin 1 here again. Okay? He said, but he's a citizen of Finland. Go check their law. All those EU countries, you commit this kind of thing, they don't cancel your passport. Okay? Na privileged citizenship you get. Then just give you, and they go still collect them anytime. Utobo say in father go buy in Abuja, but Nandi ga wuni n'ime nganu. Nandi go buy inside DSS. You understand? Make una go bring Simon back. Those of una wey like him, make he come, at least he go witness against Nnamdi. Use that one, still cut that 12 years, he go still cut another 6 come out. You understand? Yes, now. Being member of a proscribed group now pure 12 years. All these Numokoko that are shouting for me, and all these ones, now because they from back, they bribe some of all those DSS and police where the case they don't that they go to free them from behind. You don't know say na pure 12 years you dey romance with. In a will go formidable. You do Stephen now, so it happen now. Na double warrant hold am. These people don't know where they enter. As he serve and finish for Finland, he go come jejely, they go still knock am. They go knock am now. By the time all got put all gas, hey, Austin Bob, well done. Which 22 years in the country, which if they knock am anything we pass by sentence, we go carry and go military tribunal. We go carry and go military tribunal. So make it just collect am for civilian court. All these threats, make just know, you know, say na coward, didn't go think say hope dey. Make you see whether they go move. Nobody go save them from the governors to who? If they hear this thing, Nnamdi is a forgotten man. If they too much now, we go buy them there now. It isn't a joke. We go same person, we go enter there, commit something, kind of enter there, go deal with them since no one gets. Kuku make it jejely collect them. In the round this way na they go Muaha court, Enugu court, Afikpo court, Okokorobede court, get it. Oga do finish, make they do this trial, make it they go. And for Simon Ekpa, make it come Nigeria, come the face and once so. Come face and once so. I just they teach you on a then why they teach you on a free. Tell her make it come serve and once. I don't go see now. I don't go. Oh, yeah, but this would have Biafra. By the time you finish it, this generation, never again in Ala Igbo can marry Kakota nonsense. No be to only to fight who from America, not to where I don't go see. Australia too go come. He say only 6 years. Una no dey understand. Say if he serve the 6 years finish, he go come Nigeria. Continue again. We never knock am Nigeria own now. We never knock am Nigeria own. This one na Finland own. Na Jebohan they take knock am. Of course, these people no get value for human life, especially black people. You need autopilots don't enter. Of course, he go come now. He go come. He go come. Oga Biafra, he go come, serve am, and na Lafia prison he go. Lafia prison, I go carry go. If them two make noise, may do like this in that kind of they talk. Carry this person go Sokoto na. That will only adjust. Nene is winning a DSS. We go to arrange in transportation. Carry and go just. Nigeria is working out for you and I. So Nigeria will not the work out for you and I. Now go make you go to buy your own people. Go register private business. Come use and they lie to people. Say you want to bring new content. No only you and I Nigeria know the work for. Why the other people who know the work for, know they buy their own people? They are sitting at home today. Woto. Those days in an name. Woto. CCS. Oh, what they go see? I now about preamble. Na preamble, preface. You will never enter chapter 1. Chapter 1 na when you go come Nigeria. You understand? Everything we gentle they do in here today there. Okay? Ha! Larry or Saga, na there they nakam. I hope Okurieta is watching. You know that one, like he will be lucky to get gente now. He will be lucky to get gente. You only I think say soldiers go see this one. We can't wait to see Nigeria. Of course. Nande like I got all these things away then they talk. Yeah, see him boy get 6 years. Him boy get 6 years. No wonder when I was crying in court the other day about OJ. Yes, that. Now today they give a sentence and I sure say they go do some kind plea bargain. Why are you not talking about Fulani? Where the Fulani attack happened? Come bring up. You come help us talk. Where the Fulani attack happened? In a fake account of Beba Kohi. He's talkers, he not talk, I cannot talk. Then I have a modern answer. Please, the government should start in these Ekpa people, in the autopilot. Don't let the government do this job for you. It is you people. Government will just keep quiet to say make it serve in 6 years finish. Then they'll come carry him. Knock him another one. Tell him make he begin extradite himself to Nigeria. The extradition process should start immediately. Let him extradite himself back to Nigeria now. If they don't sentence you, you come to court. See your guy here. All your communications with them, or you go give them. Now so politicians they send us money. Now this one they send us. Now the government go even feel forgive you. They even feel forgive yourself. You say make you chop like 2 years, 3 years. You chop up, you come out, you go free. But this one when you did 6 years, if you finish the 6 years, you can't count another 18 years or 21 for Nigeria. For Nigeria. Genesis here Jakadan. So Iga Tagodia. Then go see him. Then go see him. Whether to the Finnish government, others must be pulling their pants. Of course. All of them that are in Europe, you know, say Finland, they don't under the EU. Now, they support Nigerian government. What's the job of our embassies? Any ambassador that is not rounding up every IPOB member, autopilot or whatever they call it, any Biafra supporter in their country, this is the precedence. They've set it already. Okay? They have the European Court of Justice. So they go adopt waiting Finnish court do. All of them only open and ga. Then once they dey inside those prisons, it go dey easy to from there extradite them from back. Even those countries will meet them, meet the ambassador. Okay, we need this one here since they don't sentence am. Make it come complete and for Nigeria. Simple. Prisoner exchange. Prisoner exchange. Whether we no even need to exchange because no Finnish person dey here. We go just bring them, come here. All of them, bring them, come here, make body tell them. Of course. You are just joining now. They don't knock Simon Ekpa 6 years. They don't knock Simon Ekpa 6 good years. Ndoshi. Let me block this so yourself. Why am I entertaining this nonsense person here? They don't knock him 6 years. We complete like this. You go chop and when you chop and finish, you go come Niger. Come collect the rest. And they are here. Hey, they should free now the can. Those of our Nigerian government, all these places where they carry petition, they submit. More than still carry this judgment from Finland. Go they give them two. The ones where they call themselves the World Igbo Congress, which who set them up. Do you know anything like what Igbo Congress is like? We go set up an organization, put Igbo inside them now. We call the claim say they talk on behalf of Igbo. How? Umokoko. Ndiara. They must well. Also it's going. Yes, truth matter. Appeal waiting. What's he going to appeal? Sometimes if you appeal, they go even top and more. Forget appeal or no appeal. Anytime when you take finish here, you go come. Okay? So Finnish government didn't know that someone Ekpa is a Biafra PA. You don't see him now. Hey. Dion Osas, leave now. I say go still come Nigeria. You understand? He go still come Nigeria, come answer the rest now. Or because you know Finland. Okay? When in there they shout woto. Jennifer, who is the down? She said Prime Minister Ekpa is a joke. It means they don't have no, they know they do by statement, by sentence there. They know they do by sentence there. That means Marie Jude issue bo how far? You are Jovika. I don't know the one where you get big pass. My wonderful people. Do you people still remember that time someone Ekpa posted a message I sent him on Twitter? I beg those of you will get that tweet, send them to me again. When I tell her, Oga, you don't make enough money, leave the at least you don't carry these people 2.5. They brainwash them, they go without this by road and they buy people. Utobogo share. Hey, Robert nice how to apprehend gentle. Don't worry now, you no go take. You no go take before they apprehend them. Don't worry. They go chop out. And nobody go free, now me the promission. Everybody go collect them, whatever you did. Both to me, and anyone where I do, make nature reward me with that. But you, ndo share ni kudu he winde man. Down in Africa, imagine some of them building homes in their villages. No get BDA because no get be bahako na ndị mmadụ daziri iberibe. Na ara is in the village unu enwezo enwe sense. A ga-eji gbacha unu nkịtị. Unu mechi ihe niile unu abịa ya unu afụbeghị ihe. Unu ka ga-eme iti nke karịrị unu. My people, please, I have something important I'm going to do today. Those of you who are in the know, you do Stephen, you be like say I will contact you small. I'm sure some of you, Dave Philip, Prince Livingston Armstrong, Peter Chimeze, Ufoma, we no go talk yet. Make we first finish in the evening. You understand? In the evening. Chimeze, I go make my people 5:30 p.m. we get and I go doing. Man, how far? I will go Ala this evening. I will Ala this evening. My people, 5:30 p.m. more of on okay, make I bring you in. 5:30 p.m. more on wait for the page. You get one special program. What we go do here? Ngozo or Abueze in second. Don't worry now. She go chop. One day after. Monster.
Nah, morning. At least my happiness is even if I die tomorrow morning, nobody can come and say Biafra to the next generation.
Yes.
At least our effort has paid off. And thank you to the Finnish government and thank you to the Nigerian government. Nigerian judiciary, all eyes on you. No before be election now. All these people, they say all eyes on judiciary. This is the time. It's a good news. At least, because majority of them have never felt the heat. At least his son will know his father is a territorial person. And the stigma will be on his son. It will be all over the school. Kids are very sensitive here. When they go to school, they tell them in their language, Mpago, oyo to bombo. Atola pagenga. Bro, I am telling you the real truth. Ask any person. He's gone into custody. That boy will know what took his father to custody. At least all your territorial bunigwe. The wife will come to the reality now. His political career is gone. And the good thing is they are bringing him back after 6 years. His citizenship cancelled. For those people, they can appeal. Once a terror judgment is passed in EU or Europe, there's no appeal. This is not like, I don't want to say things like I'm downplaying the Nigerian system. This is not where I begin to like I've said it. Now, okay, let me go back now. People should go and ask Nnamdi Kanu, why was he on the run when Scotland Yard invited him? You know, before they arrested him, he was a fugitive for 2 years, running from America to Canada to Germany. When he saw that the nest were closing in on him on Europe and America, he went to Kenya. Because, you see, let me say this. Uchemefa even said this on online. The Scotland Yard wrote to him and Uchemefa to come and answer to the same thing Simon Ekpa is held for. Nnamdi Kanu ran away. Because if the British authority, if he has gone for that interview, they will take him into custody. And the British authority would sentence him. So when I see his siblings or the IPO saying British government have every evidence. Were they not the one that went to Beckham where he hid in a council flat broadcasting? They have all the audios recorded. They are just waiting for the right time to strike. Adenka grandson has been doing his business. They've been watching him. See, let me say this to people. These authorities, be it in NSA or Scotland Yard or MI5 or MI16, they don't just pounce at once. They wait till they build enough evidence. And once they get to their person, that is it. Ekpa never knew he was being watched. If Ekpa knew, he wouldn't have been on that flight coming to the UK. They've got enough evidence. The minute they grab him, they say, yes, we don't catch our fish. There's no going again.
Yes.
From his arrest, that's it. Till the day he will come out. Now, the Nigerian courts, The onion is on you. And to that House of Rep guy, that make I come on camera. Dede. I am tell one why the mundo moya. Don't follow them the Kanu to court again. What you guys are doing is giving legitimacy to his criminality. Let him go answer his crime. If he's going because he's
Of
a
course.
member of his constituents, there are numerous members of your constituent in various prisons. How many do you follow to court? If we are to have a one-on-one section and I ask you, Honorable, can you bring a data statistics of Ndomaya not under a constituency in various prisons in Nigeria? He cannot produce one name. Why Nnamdi
Yes.
Kanu? Don't add legitimacy to it. You want to support him, do it from behind the shadow. The same thing applies to the traditional rulers and the clergymen. My brother, thank you. My thank you.
Okay, we do the one there.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
Hey, any other person? Dr. Chico Mille, well done. Kate Okpan, I see you. Channel Lugo. Yusuf Ali, you're asking source of the news. Let me give you. Okay, I can. One with Tobo is shouting, two foolish people. See, you know you don't even have a name. You know that like you were so nameless. You came from a very useless family. Like on a too useless, so you are not even proud of putting your name there. Even the photo there is not even your real photo. Even if it is, you cover yourself, cover your head. You didn't even use your real name. Nakohiri. Na-ebe na akwa efuru ndụ ifuru ebe na ebe ahụ unu ga-eru ya. Unu ga-eruri ebe na ebe a tata kwefuru unu ebe obedo. What are you doing to your brother? Yeah. Shebu na say nothing will happen. That document, that one wey they call him wife, Akpapu, Danfo, where that one where he marry will be like this. That Utobo was whining them 2 weeks ago. Side one is coming. I say, yeah. Unu can ebechu. On just the warm up the cry. If nakwa, unu can home go up, unu can jog. Unu can jog na. Unu ebido webe deserve. Unu can ebidi ma atu ibida akwa all to ak unu can ebego. Unu afugo kweli. He must come back to Nigeria. Once they finish, he will come to Nigeria with ye. Why do you hate Nnamdi Kanu so much? Now I hate the Ekperima because he registered a private business and was using it to lie to our people that he's bringing them Biafra. Okay? Used it to lie to our people that he was bringing them Biafra when he was not doing anything. You understand? He brought destruction to an Igbo. People are sitting at home today. One day. Hello? This person is not talking. You say, let them add another day now because of Simon Ekpa. Let them go add extra 1 day. Let them ask the extra 1 day. Ndoshi, please, those of you that are walking around Okigwe, those of you from Idato North and South, look at all these local government areas. Okigwe local government area, Idato North, Idato South, Orumba North, Orumba South. Please, on Imo side, Mbano, please, do not move anyhow. Now for Finland, something happen. Now for a place, they go to pipe people. Now they hear them so. Now for Finland, something happen. Now for Southeast, they go to pipe people. Police, make on a day careful. Those police people where they checkpoint. No day where you they collect Roger. Okay? No day where you dey collect Roger, then go take you from back, yo. Then radio. Yeah, I'm heading to Finland with rope. This is here. No, send that rope in Nigeria. I go hold am for you. Okay? I go hold am for you. When they bring a call here now from, we no go full the plane. Wey carry a call now, you go tire for the wing like this. As they fly, you go still carry am anywhere where you fall off. Make it fall off. Okay? Now for Finland, something happen. Na for Ala Igbo they go dey buy people. You wey dey drive your fine car around, they go use am as excuse o. All of these people na excuse wey dem go take commit atrocity dem dey find. Dem ready, their eye dey red as dem dey like this now. Cold dey catch some of them because all the lies wey dem tell about their prime minister in exile. I don't know how, please dey find dey give him how many ejema. How many ejema? Echeje ya na ejema ọpụtara. Kai. Ojukwu use paper collect other money. Na this one still come, they dey use the same paper. Chineke bụ tria. Ndị edidi. I just don't understand this people. I don't understand this. Hello?
Hello, Ijele, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Okay, from what I've read so far about the court verdict, Nigeria does not have a extradition treaty with the Finnish government. So ordinarily, for me, I have a reservation about it in the first place because 6 years it literally translates into 3 in Europe. So I believe after 3 years, he may be sent out. But that idea of deportation back to Nigeria, I don't really see that. Except there are paperwork behind the scene on how to send him back to Nigeria. Because for me, I would have loved for him to be sent back here to face the atrocities he and his acolytes have committed in Igbo, not just Igbo lands, in the whole federation. Because our people are easily brainwashed. Our people are just easily brainwashed. Because I don't fancy like how people will just wake up one day and tell me that the likes of those ones in Imo State will head people. At the end of the day, let's assume that the actualization of Biafra is real and it happened. Let's assume it happened. So now the likes of those ones in the bushes will head people like Obi Kubana and Co and all that. They will be the ones now giving like orders and every other thing to happen. Like, where is the brain? Like people that did not go to no drink the water. People that did not attend any institution at all. No seminar, no course to sharpen their minds and brains. Now will not be the one calling the shots on how to run a sovereign state. It's annoying because it pains me. I'm an Igbo man. And it pains me. I see all that is happening. I read as well. But I think we need to reach out to Finnish government. The verdict, the 6 years is too small. And even though there's no, even though there's no treaty of extradition back to Nigeria, they should, as a matter of urgency, send him back once that sentence is up. So that is my humble suggestion.
Okay, let me tell you, my brother. See, on certain issues, your country doesn't have any extradition treaty with the other country. For they've extradited many people into Nigeria and from Nigeria to countries we don't have treaties with. They can even still run it through Interpol. You understand?
Okay.
And by law, Simon is no longer a Finnish citizen.
By law.
So once it's over, his deportation is coming nowhere else but to Nigeria. And so by default, they've extradited him. So as for that one, all of us know now, we don't buy rope, they wait for us. That 6 years now just joke. That's why I'm just giving his people expo. And I'm telling them it's better he come now and be facing all of them at the same time, because whether he serves 3 years there, whether it's 2 years and 6 months, so he will still come to Nigeria and start afresh. So instead of wasting those years, he will come here, serve it concurrently. So my brother, I understand your concern. Hopefully the government will follow it up and finish the Okoko. Do you have any last word?
My last word is let's try as much as we can to educate our people over there in Igbo land. You know, for me, I do my quota. Maka asị na onye na-amarọ ibe ezi ya mana ọ dị very annoying, you know, na ị na-agwakwa ndị mmadụ ị na-agwa because at the end of the day ndị a ji tactics wee bata.
Onye na-amara ibe ya ezi ya ibe ezi ikwu amara ibe ezi ya ọrụ onye chọrọ ka ezi ya person wey im head block all these ones wey Biafra don chop their Biafra virus don chop their brain finish nothing dey inside their head hollow chambers na in their head carry so how you go take do am?
Let's just be optimistic that things will change for the better. That's my last word. That's my last word.
My brother. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Jele. Thank you.
Yeah, for now we still get hope for these people. You people don't even know the meaning of onion. People where they don't chop their brain finish now 1 year. Now, made them they see a made reality they teach them. This conviction of Simon Ekpa already now many of them don't know say this thing a fraud. They joke Ernest, I see you. Okay. Many of them, because of this conviction, now they will not say these people that fraudsters them be. They go stop to the contribute. And now because they stay the ones where they squeeze, come out, make them see they do this one, what they do. Ngoza or Abel they get work. No be this one. She say an opportunity. Now go the cry. Say before the shout and be the shout. The Simon Ekpa is in the military. Okay, well I'm with the military where you dey. Umukuku. Akwa ishi ajugo hoyina. Akwa ishi ajugo hoyina. Onye obuna ejego na jeju ike. Next time, whenever you get Kororo Biafra, you should jeje choki. My people, thank you so much for what is Nigerian government still waiting on them? I don't know. You see how speedy a terrorism trial should be. You see how speedy it should be. Nandi, every day they say, oh, they go collect injunction. All those lawyers they're supposed to lose their licenses for deliberately wasting the time of the court and jeopardizing the lives of other people. Again, Tiger Base, army checkpoint, every checkpoint, civil defense, everybody be on alert. No excuse the way they want to take use thief on a gun, now they define. Okay? Of course, KT supporters, they should arrest them. No excuse when they go can't take attack on her for checkpoint now. Those of on her for Oga, for Urumba, all of you people, more on a day at alert, they come, they go still attack on her. Watch on her stations. Watch on our stations. Now will be the best time to even start putting your eyes close to the accounts. If you see them gathering, Oga, na attack the one plan. Of course, you can that person that is coming to court, are you sure it's in Namdekan? Look at the left here. Look at the next court date. I think I should go there and check the left here. Okay? Is it Ngozi or Abreze? Don't worry, you go collect now. They go collect. Now sure. They go collect. So my wonderful people, I thank you so much. Wait for us at 5:30 p.m. We are going to be here for a special program. 5:30.